here. Today I am going to show you some easy hairstyles which you can use when you are in a hurry. These hairstyles are suitable for school going, college going and office going girls. What do we need for these hairstyles? Some fun rubber bands and these clips, these pressing kind of clips and these rubber bands. That's it. Let's get to the video without any further delay. First let's comb the hair neat. Just pick the front hair like with two fingers like this. Twist a little like that. Push it to the front a little. Add one of these clips. Pull out some hair from the side. Twist, twist, twist. Let that be messy. That's not a problem. Push it a little front and hold it there. Hold this hair. See, I am twisting it with one hand, so let that be messy. That's alright. Just twist, twist, twist. Hold it there. You can do the same thing again. Do the same thing on the other side. Pull them all together and add two clips in opposite directions so it is held correctly, tightly. Pull your hair to the front, make it a little more messier. That's it. This hairstyle is done. You have two twists and one puff kind of look in the front. You are done. Can you see it from the back? That's how it looks. For the next hairstyle, just comb the hair neat, part your hair a bit and then take out a section of hair in the front, leave it to the front, then loosely just with your fingers take your hair like that. You pin it up on the both sides so it will stay nicely. I like it that way. You can leave it like that or you can just pull out a little more hair from here. Make a quick braid. Simple, regular 3-part hair braid. Loosely, just do everything loosely. Now you just take it up and pin it at the back. Okay, this side is set. Pull the whole hair to the one side. You can add a fun rubber band like this or like this, or you can even go for a matching colored rubber band. Try to braid it very loosely on the side. As you can see, I have not so long hair, but I can still braid my hair. I'm going with this rubber band. Just add there. There you go. That's it. That's the hairstyle. Can you see it there? You can see a braid over here and some hairpins, loose puff in the front and side braid. Loosely done side braid, messy one. How do you like it? For this next hairstyle, we are just going to do a French plait in the front. There you go. It starts very easy and simple. Add little hair to it as you go. Make it loose, not too tight. Now I'm done there. I'm using this small rubber band and holding the hair together. I'm going to keep it loose because I want a messy look there. We can even pull a little more hair in the front. That's the hairstyle, that's it. But if you want more puffed look, just hold that hair which you have just added the rubber band. Push it a little to front and keep this clip on top. There you go. Your hairstyle is done. For the next hairstyle, I'm going to keep this front French plait look as it is, and I'm going to do things at the back. Let me show you from behind how I'll be doing it. It's a simple one. We just need a rubber band and a clip. I'm going to pull out a little hair from the back and tie it into a low ponytail. Now taking this hair, I'm just going to pin. There you go. That's my hair from back and that's my hair from front. How do you like this one? For this next hairstyle, I'm going to do a French plait in the front. So let's just go ahead and do it quickly. Keep adding the hair from both the ends. Make it kind of loose. Don't make it very tight. It won't look so good. Add little hair. We are not making it bulky. It is going to be very loose and lightweight French plait here. Add a small rubber band. You can just leave it like that. Pull a little hair here and there. It should not be too clean. It should be a little messy and loose. When we are doing this side, let's just leave the other side simple. Just leave it like that. You're done. Simple, isn't it? These hairstyles are very easy to do, very quick to do, but it'll add a little style to your hair and you will look different for the day. Just go ahead and try these hairstyles and let me know what you think about these hairstyles. Which one is your favorite? Let me know that in the comments below. If you are new to my channel, I create fashion related videos every Monday and Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and activate that bell icon for my future video notifications. Until next time, bye.